So guys, this is the moment that we've been waiting for. Now it's time for me to review the proofs of what the actual book will look like. This is the first time that I'm seeing the book in actual book form. So what I'll need to do is go through the pages to make sure that they're okay, everything came out correctly, there's no issues. And if this is a go, then I can go ahead and release the book for everybody to purchase. So here's hoping. I'm gonna cross my fingers. I wanted to open this up at the same time that I see you guys. Ooh, so excited. There's the first part. No, so excited. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at how pretty that is. It's exactly what I thought it would look like. I am so impressed by the way this binding is. It's truly a children's book. You open it up, there's a white page. There's the first page. Now the binding is a little rough. That's fine. We open it up. Yeah, the binding has a lot of creases in it. That's the only thing that I see so far. But then you have the actual pages here. This came out really good for a first timer. Now when you create the book, or when you upload it, it asks you what kind of pictures you want, like what kind of pages. And there's glossy, and there's all sorts of different types that you can buy. But I'm really loving this book and what it looks like. I can't believe that it's finally here. I love it. I'm really impressed with what they did. The company that I hired to do this. And the people that put it together. Guys, it's ready.